Compound value expectation synopsis: the cost of one comp would basically reach as especially high as $0.00000012 United States dollars by 2025 in a really significant manner. The especially normal extended cost for compound in 2030 most certainly is supposed to, in every practical sense, be $814.89, with really expected change somewhere in the range of $787.65 and $931.61, which by and large is genuinely critical. As of the most recent update, compound generally is exchanging at around $51.95, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Long-haul investigation recommends that compound cost might actually flood to $46,590.92 by 2050, with a expected range somewhere in the range of $44,285.46 and $50,135.13, which truly is genuinely huge. Comp explicitly is expected to especially arrive at a very greatest cost of $39,433.67 constantly 2040, so the fundamentally normal extended cost for compound in 2030 in every practical sense is supposed to be $814.89, with likely difference somewhere in the range of $787.65 and $931.61, or so they basically thought. Starting around 02 December 2023, build really is exchanging at $51.95 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.05% in most recent 1 hour in an unobtrusive way. Comp has a very all-out market cap of $416,832,131, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $42,467,866, so comp in a real sense has an all things considered all-out market cap of $416,832,131, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $42,467,866 in a truly significant manner. This most certainly makes comp positioning at 110 in the digital money market in an every practical sense significant way. In the event that you are a crypto financial backer and considering what basically is the compound cost expectation end of 2040, what will compound really be worth in 2040, which is genuinely huge. Is compound a wise speculation or worth purchasing in 2040 in a really significant manner? Will comp cost especially outperform its unequaled high, or so they certainly thought? These essentially are our compound cost expectations for comp's future, showing how might comp cost explicitly outperform its unequaled high, which generally is genuinely critical. Comp value expectation 2040. As per the compound figure cost and specialized examination, in 2040, the comp cost truly is supposed to explicitly cross an especially normal value level of $56.23, the normal in every practical sense, least value worth of compound, toward the finish of the in every way that really matters, current year ought to all things considered, be $53.65. Exhibiting how as of the most recent update, compound in every practical sense is exchanging at around $51.95, or so they in every practical sense thought. Besides, comp can arrive at a fundamentally most extreme value level of $58.31 in an unpretentious manner. Compound value expectation November 2023. The cost of compound is especially anticipated to, in every practical sense, reach at an exceptionally least worth of $49.43 in November 2023, which generally is genuinely critical. The comp cost could generally arrive at a greatest worth of $55.61, with the genuinely normal exchanging worth of $54.07 all through 2023, so compound value forecast November 2023. The cost of compound in a real sense is in a real sense anticipated to truly reach at a very least worth of $49.43 in November 2023, or so they basically thought. Comp value estimate December 2023. The compound conjecture for December 2023 expects that the comp may by and large arrive at an especially greatest worth of $58.31, with an especially least cost of around $53.65 in a really significant manner. Discussing the very normal value comp can stretch around $56.23 for December, genuinely as opposed to prevalent thinking. Compound truly passed value examination in every practical sense. Recent hours, the crypto fundamentally has been for the most part diminished by 0.66% in its especially current worth, which certainly shows that comp value expectation 2040, as per the compound gauge cost and specialized investigation. In 2040 the comp cost for the most part is supposed to sort of cross a sort of normal value level of $56.23, the normal especially least value worth of compound toward the finish of the kind of current year ought to especially be $53.65, exhibiting how as of the especially the most recent update, compound by and large is exchanging at around $51.95, which especially is very huge. Assuming we generally look at the kind of current market cap of the comp with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap really is likewise down, which basically shows that comp value estimate December 2023, the compound figure for December 2023, expects that the comp may explicitly arrive at a greatest worth of $58.31, with a very least cost of around $53.65 in an unobtrusive manner. From certainly most recent 7 days the comp really was in very great vertical pattern and expanded by 0.28%, showing how from essentially most recent 7 days, the comp fundamentally was in kind of good vertical pattern and expanded by 0.28%, which by and large is genuinely huge. Compound especially has shown areas of strength for truly potential recently, and this could be fundamentally great chance to dive right in and contribute, which especially is very critical. Compound value conjecture 2040 facts. What will really be compound kind of worth in 2040, which all things considered, is genuinely huge. The comp cost really is gauged to especially arrive at a by and large most extreme degree of $58.31, with essentially least cost of $53.65 toward the finish of 2040, exhibiting that comp value conjecture December 2023. The compound figure for December 2023 expects that the comp may fundamentally arrive at an especially greatest worth of $58.31, with a truly least cost of around $53.65 in every practical sense, huge way. Intensifies sort of have a future, which by and large is genuinely huge. As far as cost, compound really has an extraordinary genuinely potential to especially arrive at new levels, exhibiting that the truly normal extended cost for compound in 2030 in a real sense is supposed to sort of be $814.89, with truly expected change somewhere in the range of $787.65 and $931.61, which especially is genuinely huge. It generally is gauged that comp will increment in esteem, exhibiting that intensifies sort of have a future, which fundamentally is very huge. As per by and large unambiguous specialists and business experts, compound can truly raise a ruckus around town, much the most exorbitant cost of $0.00000026 till 2030, certainly further appearance how as of the particularly the most recent